Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Eat Wanda. I hope you're all doing good. Eid Mubarak to each one of you. It's Eid today and what could be better than sharing a Sheer Kurma recipe with you guys. Sheer Kurma is a dessert similar to Semia Payasam or Semia Kheer. The major difference here is in this we'll be adding a lot of dry fruits and dates. So let's get started, but before that please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let me first walk you through the ingredients. We need 1 liter of full fat milk, 1/4 cup of dates or khajur. I have removed the seeds and cut them into thin strips. This is the most important ingredient of Sheer Kurma. 2 tablespoons of cashew nut or kaju cut into small pieces. 2 tablespoons of almond or badam cut into thin strips. 1 tablespoon of raisins or kismis cut into small pieces. 2 tablespoons of walnut or akroot cut into small pieces. 2 tablespoons of chironji. 1 cup of vermicelli or sevaiya. This one is roasted one, but you can use regular one also. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder or elaichi powder. Few strands of saffron or kesar. 1/3 cup of sugar. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per your taste preference. Ghee or clarified butter. Into a pan, add in 1 liter of full fat milk. We'll allow this milk to come to a boil. Meanwhile, heat up a pan. Add 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Once the ghee is hot, add in cashew nuts. This is 2 tablespoons of broken cashew nuts. Almonds. Walnuts, raisins, chironji, also the dates. So we have added all the dry fruits to it. Now we'll saute them and fry until the color changes slightly, and also all these dry fruits will turn aromatic. So our dry fruits have fried well and they have turned aromatic. Now switch off the flame and transfer them into a bowl. Now let's get to the next step. In the same pan, heat up 1 tablespoon of ghee and roast vermicelli. This one is already roasted, so I just need to roast them until they turn aromatic. But in case if you are using unroasted one, you need to roast them until they are slightly golden and aromatic. So that's done. Switch off the flame and transfer them into a plate. Now let's check on our milk. Our milk has come to a boil. Now we need to cook them on low flame. Reduce the flame to low. Now we'll add in the dry fruits. Mix well. Cook this mixture until the quantity reduces to 3/4. So our dry fruits and milk mixture has been boiling for 5 minutes now and it has reduced in quantity. Now we'll add in the roasted vermicelli. Mix everything well. Now add in saffron, cardamom powder. Now we'll add in the sugar. Add little at once. Check the sweetness and add more if required. Mix well. On low flame we are going to cook this mixture until they thicken up a little. Make sure to scrap the sides and add it to the milk. So as you can see here, our sheer kurma has thickened up nicely. They are all done. Now switch off the flame, cover it and allow it to rest for a minute. It's been a minute. Now let's transfer them into a serving bowl. Our yummy Eid special sheer kurma is ready. So I'm going to enjoy my sheer kurma. As they cool down, they tend to thicken up a little. If you don't like it thick, just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk before serving. It could be warm milk or even chilled milk. Do try this recipe and let me know how they turned out. Take care. Thanks for watching.